Alright guys, today I want to come on here and do a quick unboxing and review and set up on my new vinyl record player. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. Let's take a look at it. Cool, because it'll have like Bluetooth, I believe, as well, so it's a little bit more modern. So here is the quick start guide. Alright, now that we got it out of the box, let's go ahead and actually set it up. As you can see during the setup, the turntable is built around the AT3600L magnetic cartridge with an adjustable counterweight tone arm. That means smoother tracking, less run on your records, and a warmer sound that vinyl lovers really appreciate. As I mentioned earlier, it does have Bluetooth as well, so you can stream your music, which I'll show a little later, from your phone or tablet when you're not spinning records. Switching between both is very simple, giving you the best of both worlds. You've also got a 2-speed playback for both 33 1/3 and 45 RPMs, and it works with 7-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch records, so everything from singles to full LPs is covered. Sound is handled by an upgraded quad stereo speaker system, which you'll hear here in a second, which delivers a fuller, richer sound than most built-in turntable speakers. Whether you're playing a brand new pressing or streaming your favorite playlist, it fills a room without needing extra gear. And of course, the classic wood finish with a modern silhouette means it looks as good as it sounds, making it a piece that you'll want to keep on display, not just put away. Alright, so I got it set up. As you can see, pretty simple. Took maybe like 15-20 minutes to just get it all fully up and running. So let's go ahead and actually use it. So we'll go ahead and open this up. I already have a record here. Go ahead and place it there. We'll go ahead and turn it on. It has these 2 knobs right here, so we'll go ahead and turn it on. All right, and then we'll go ahead and remove this. And as you can see, it already starts spinning. Go ahead and put it on there. Go ahead and unlock it. As you can see, I'm not like an expert in this, but as you can see, it looks really cool. Probably one of my favorite gifts that I've gotten from a company. Super easy to set up. But let's go now and actually try out the Bluetooth side of it. But once you are done, all you just gotta do is pick it up from there, put it back on here, lock it up, and then it's good to go. So let's go and actually try the Bluetooth now. All right, and then to set it to Bluetooth, all you gotta do is set this knob. It has an actual Bluetooth setting here. I went ahead and connected it to my phone, so let's go ahead and actually test it out. So as you can see, the speaker is super clean, super clear. So as you can see, it has a modern twist to it, or if you still want to do like the old school records, you can do both. So very, very cool. So if you guys are looking for a new record player with the Bluetooth on there, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.